Based at its Manchester, UK headquarters, the services and solutions Interbacs provides revolve around BACS and direct debit payment solutions.
One of the reasons that people need to embrace direct debits is the pain involved with chasing money. Every company in the country has had an experience whereby they have to chase a customer, they have to look for a check that's lost in the post, they have to get them to make a BACS transfer. If you can take a direct debit system and implement it for your customers, you take that pain away. All you have to do is get your customers to sign up for direct debit, and then they will be paying you regularly. You'll be taking it from them. Once the system is installed, it's a very easy way to really help cash flow for any company.
Interbacs is a BACS approved solutions provider as well as a BACS approved bureau.
As a bureau, we provide a seamless service which is like a third party for any of the organisations, who takes away all the mundane admin activities.
We are a BACS approved solution supplier, which means if you want to buy software from us, we can install it into your system, and that's for anybody from a large multinational down to just a small little privately owned gym, to anybody that needs to do direct debits.
At the same time, we're taking care of a quite intricate and complex area where BACS expertise are required.
We also then provide BACS solutions, which allows you to pay customers. So anybody that wants to pay suppliers, or they want to pay their staff, pay expenses, any money that needs to go out, we deal with it either way. The reason you should choose Interbacs as a supplier is we have a massive history in the direct debit area. We have developed products with the best, newest technology.
Interbacs listen carefully to their customers and provide customized solutions.
We tailor-make a solution for them. We do not try to throw something at them. We do not try to give them something because it's a one solution. We listen to them and give them the best, most economical solution that will help them to get their system in place and help them to collect money from their customers.
Interbacs staff are very knowledgeable about direct debits and also provide training services.
We provide training to both the solution companies as well as the bureau companies, more so to people who want to keep the operation in-house.
If you are not collecting direct debits already, you need to get in touch with us. Customers that really care about their cash flow, they want to see regular income, and they want to see a painless way to have a regular stream of money coming in that you can easily project, need to come talk to us. Get in touch with us, we won't bite, and we can promise you one thing, which is good, solid, sound advice based on a long experience.